In this video, we'll be talking about what is SME and where to get the SME loan and how to get the SME loan. We will answer all the WH questions for SME alone in this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. Before we go on, please make sure you supporting button na subscribe na like lo channel na mi ba making flandi videos rin. So please subscribe. Okay, let's get started. What is SME? In a short form, SME is small business and SME is also a PNG policy. SME is a policy that amended by the government in the parliament. Why? Because all looking mosem SME and one plus solution belong unemployment. Therefore, government is supporting business to reduce the unemployment in Papua New Guinea. Make sure you must watch to the end of the video to learn more and everything. Government am looking mosem if no encourage him SME inside the PNG, the foreign SME, the foreign companies will come and overtake the Papua New Guinea. So Papua New Guinea will never have an SME program to get back PNG employment. Therefore, SME is very important to the government. So government is on side of SME to support all the SME in Papua New Guinea. So now we talk about where can we get the SME loan. There are many places where you can get the SME loan like BSB Bank, NDB, PNG Bank, ANZ, Kina Bank and all the financial corporations we have in Papua New Guinea. But for this case, now we will be looking closely at NDB and BSB Bank alone. Why we'll be looking at these two financial group? Because government has funded 200 million into this financial group. BSP have received 100 million, NDB have received 80 million. Solo 100 million blow BSB, it's further breakdown into like 40 million into agriculture related, 24 million into like youths and SME. So youth groups and youth groups have to go to SME to access this 24 million. And 8 million into women in business, only women in business, and another 40 million into monitoring department within that 40 million, and that will cater for the any miscellaneous or supplementary budget for the SME program. If you are first timer, you'll apply this loan. Okay, you look in this video. I'm also creating business name, na business account, you register him inside IPA, and then you have to apply for these business loans. So now we talk about how to get the SME loan. The most very important to get the SME loan, it's yourself. You by make it down, but you see SME loan. To get SME loan, first they will give you like 20,000 or 10,000, but depending on your discipline of money management. Why I am saying money discipline? Because there are some things called financial statement or bank statement or company statement. This plus statement, it's like it's more or less like a thing that you will be decorating for you to be eligible in business loans. You must decorate your financial statement to qualify you to get SME loan. How to qualify or how to decorate your bank statement or company statement, we will talk into another video that's coming up after a week or so. It will explain it very detailed how to decorate your bank statement or your company statement, and you will get your first SME loan. For this video, I will give you like bonus for this video or bank statement or company statement. If you sell a couple of things, you get your money and then you go spend it. That's not a way for people to look after SME. That's not the character of SME people. When you sell things and then they buy things, you deposit that thing into your account, SME account. You kisi money na you go deposit him. You know blow you look kisi money na go spend him na put him lick house. That's not SME. SME is different. You have to know what is SME and how to handle money in SME. You must be a businessman for you to manage money. That's why me talk also money discipline. You get the money, you sell things, and then you get the money, you go and deposit. Don't put it in your pocket or don't use it some and put some in your house. That's not SME. You get the money and put it into the account, BSB account, or which branch you are, SME loan, your SME account. So you kissing money, now you go deposit him. That's for this today's video. One block video. There's another video coming here. It will explain you more how to decorate your bank statement or SME loan. That bank statement or SME loan will only guarantee you to get that you want to get. That will be very easy for you because you already know how to manage your bank statement. But for now, like him, you please subscribe to channel below me. Me getting plenty of SME and business banking and all some information about him financial system. So still by me working plenty of video blah. For now, you subscribe and like the channel, and you can also comment too. Whatever you know understand him or you know like him, you please make sure you comment that. Comment me by trying to explaining, because I have this background of banking system and me work lo bank na me school or banking system too na. I know what is SME and where it's going through. So at least me support him or some young blah 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 blah. You work and then you don't spend your money, you become a business owner, and then at the end of like your age of 40, you don't have to work again. You go and manage your SME. Manage your SME or manage your own business. So for now, peace. Peace.